And today we're going to be making tie-dye. The colours we have is red, yellow, blue, green and purple. And what we need to make this is a tray, a plastic bag and an old or new white t-shirt. We also need gloves so we don't dye our own hands.
We've got purple, green, blue, leather and red.
And that's the colours we're going to be using for our white t-shirts. The first step is to unpackage it.
Yeah.
Okay, purple,
Yeah, I like purple.
green,
I like dark purple.
blue,
You like blue?
purple, yellow, red.
And my favorite purple. This is red, this is purple, this is green, and this is blue, and this is leather.
Next we've got to fill the water up to this black line here. Now that we've filled it up to the line,
Now we're going to shape it.
I'm going to start off shaking the glue.
I'm going to start off shaping the red.
Okay, shake it.
It's getting a mess.
Okay, now you're going to shake the purple.
Yeah. It's fine if that's all that's what we
Yeah.
will clean up. It's on my hair.
Wait, pardon?
It's not in my hair.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, there's just water in it, right?
I can't see anything. It's splashing out all over the place. Now that we've shaken them, look at all the pretty colours.
Yeah.
My favourite one has to be the purple and the red. Those ones are the blue is my favourite colour, but I think it just is too dark.
I like Miranda's one. Miranda's colours that same mixed up.
Now we've got to put our gloves on so we don't dye our hands when we're colouring the t-shirts.
Yeah.
Now we've got our gloves on, we need the t-shirts.
Mm.
Yeah, here's yours.
Right?
Okay, you just need to lay them out.
Like that.
Yep. You need to move that.
I want this. I want to wear this dress. But when it's dry,
Yes.
it's wet.
Now I'm going to get the middle of the t-shirt and twirl it up. Now me just twirling it up in the middle of the t-shirt. It's a bit hard when you get to the end of you twirling it. It's a bit hard to do it. And I might need Eva's help so I can put the rubber bands on it.
I can tell you.
Okay. Now that I've got Eva holding my t-shirt, I'm going to put the rubber
I
bands
have
on.
to say something.
Yes?
It looks like a rose.
Yeah, it does.
A white rose.
Yeah, but soon it's going to be coloured.
Yeah. Colored rose.
Yeah.
What is that?
Need another?
Looks like a rose. How about mine? How
Okay, that's
This
good.
is my tea set.
This is the twirl method, and this is the scrunch method.
This one looks like a snow wells, and this one looks like a bill wells.
I reckon it does too. Now we're up to the fun part, dyeing them. Okay, so I'm going to start off with blue.
I'm going to start off with that this time.
Okay.
Wait, this. Oh, I have the green one.
It drips, so you have to be careful. Oh my god, it's so messy.
Whoa! The lid fell off.
It's so drippy. Actually, those kind of nice.
Okay, now the lid. Can I put it where the other was? Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Oh. That's fine. Let's see what Tether makes. I don't know what Tether's done to make. Probably rainbow.
Okay, I'm up to the next colour.
Okay.
So far,
Green.
looking not so bad.
Now this purple.
I'm up to the green and it's really dripping.
Can I please have some blue?
Sure.
Okay.
Blue, there's the blue.
Oh,
Okay, now I'm up to the purple. Next one with the same colour.
I'm finished with the blue, and now I need the green.
Okay, now mine is done.
Okay, down with the green.
Are you almost done?
Almost done. Just one.
Mine is way messier than yours. Now that we've finished our masterpiece.
Can I say something? That can we start putting them on the tray?
Yes. Now we're going to flip them over
Can I
and
put?
put them on the tray. And we're going to colour the other side now. So both of them are coloured.
Now I need some leather.
I just started going with the blue.
I'm just doing some pretty leather. What's that? That's what it's for, anyways. Oh, the leather looks so pretty.
Oh, I haven't used it.
You can,
I don't really care.
you can make some leather. You can make that.
I don't want any yellow.
You can make
I don't want any.
You can make that. You can make some.
I don't want any yellow.
Yes, you
I don't want any. Thanks for asking.
Purple. I'm almost done it. I think I'm done it. Red and purple. And now this color. They're done, the green. Oh, mine is very messy.
Whoa. Look at it.
Mine isn't really good. Yeah, so what are we going to do after we're done?
Oh, so we're gonna have to put this on the plastic bag over there.
And then what do we do next?
Oh, we have to wait 24 hours till it dries.
Yeah, then we to wear new sets.
Let's pop them in our bags.
Okay.
Okay. Mine's in my bag.
Mine is in my bag.
We're gonna fast forward now to show you the finished product. This is our finished product. Mine looks really blue and I don't know if it looks too much like a swirl, but yeah, I'm really super happy about it. I'll show you the back. I think the back looks kind of better than the front and stuff. You want to explain what yours is?
Yeah. Mine is all colorful rainbow, and look at the back of it. It's more, it's pretty at the back and the front. So that's what mine looks like.
Yeah. Anyways, we're going to end the video here. I hope you liked our tie-dye t-shirts and video. And please like and subscribe and turn on those notifications. And we'll see you